I'm after a little help to check how people's printers are set up. This is the STS 3215 by Fitech, and it is very good value for money. And it's the motor, it's the servo, which is being used in my Hugging Face Le Robot SO arm, standard open arm. I'm trying to make it. Just want there to be lots of them, doing lots of useful stuff, and Hugging Face are going to supply amazing software in the near future, which will allow it to do all sorts of clever stuff. Mechanically though, you do want your parts to be a very good fit, and there is a compromise between how easy it is to assemble and how much free play there is in the system. So if necessary, I can do different sizes, but this is a 0 gauge. This is bang on. What I measure here is exactly the sizes there. And because it's plastic, it's a little bit flexible, and it will push in like that, and then it will slide. So that I would consider a very good fit, and I'm printing a test piece now. But the question I have is, if you've already got a printer and you've got access, or you've got one of these servos, could you please print one of these and tell me if it fits nice and snugly like that. Yes, labels up. The servo is not symmetrical, in fact, so label up. Thank you so much.